We need to rotate this stack by tomorrow. The inventory count seems off on the tablet.
Let me cross-reference the numbers.
Adjust it slowly. Maintaining the correct flow here is crucial for the pressure.
Understood. I'll monitor it closely.
Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
We are very pleased with the quality of this delivery. The kernels are plump and golden, exactly what we look for.
Control room, this is site lead. Divert silo 4 intake to holding bay 2. Confirm receipt.
The kernels have a beautiful amber color and the texture is quite smooth. Very low incidence of shriveled grains. This is top grade.
Ensure the flow rate stays consistent at the intake.
Understood. Monitoring the levels now. The flow rate is steady and the quality checks are confirmed. Let's begin the mixing process. The most important step is ensuring the unit is sterile. A clean start is essential for quality control down the line.
Ensure these pallets are logged before moving them to staging.
Understood. We will prioritize the logging now.
Making sure we remove all the impurities here.
The sensors on these gauges monitor the silo pressure. If it drops below the threshold, open the bypass valve slowly until stable.
We are almost at the target weight. The flow rate is precise now.
The texture on this batch seems slightly rougher, especially the durum.
Yes, and the kernels in this bowl are visibly smaller than the control group.
Smells fresh. This is a good crop.
This row here, make sure it's logged before the shift ends.
Already on it. The scanner is showing everything clear.
The calibration ensures our measurements are within the required standards. We must monitor the stability during this phase.
The flow rate is too high, slow it down.
Adjusting the valve. Keep an eye on the level.
Check the moisture levels over here. They seem a bit high compared to the last batch.
The next batch is ready for shipment.
These come from the Northfield Cooperative. They handle the organic stock exclusively.
And the moisture levels look good on these.
This is only the beginning. We need to adjust the flow rate here. Too many stones are getting through.
I agree. Let's slow it down slightly and see if that catches them. Maintain the flow rate. The uniformity looks good on this batch.
The preheating stage is critical. We use the steam to increase the moisture content, which improves the milling process.
We need to increase the flow rate for this batch.
All right, adjusting the timing now. It should be ready by then.
Quality check complete. Separation efficiency is optimal. Debris count is minimal. The process is running smoothly.
The flow rate on machine 3 is slightly high. Adjusting the vibrator speed now.
We ensure purity through meticulous inspection. Attention to detail is everything.
By maintaining this precise temperature, we ensure the consistency of the grains entering the chamber.
We need to tighten this a bit for the texture. Yes, that looks much more consistent now. Perfect.
See how the grains flow. We adjust the heat to maintain the perfect moisture, critical for the quality.
For perfect moisture adjustment, the temperature and flow rate must be exact. This ensures the golden wheat meets our standards.
The weight on this batch seems slightly low.
We need to adjust the flow rate before it hits the mixer, or the timing will be off.
The sensor data shows the weight is fluctuating. We are slightly heavy.
It's moving too fast. Adjust the timing immediately on the feed rate.
Precision is key here. We take readings from multiple points to maintain the integrity of the batch and ensure optimal drying.
Sifting rate is stable at 95%. Good.
The moisture levels are consistent with the last batch.
Just maintain this pace right here. We're running smoothly. All right, understood.
Based on the uniformity and the low foreign matter count, this lot is high quality.
480 grams confirmed.
Confirmed.
Ready for transfer.
The batch is ready for mixing. The gauge is steady. All right, settings adjusted. Confirming start now.
The sensors confirm the flow rate is exact. We are running at peak efficiency.
The consistency looks good here.
Yes,
Yes, very uniform. We can push it to the next stage.
Keep it steady now, maintain the flow. That's the right consistency. Batch 3 Lima.
Received. Checking sequence 9. All green.
Look at that uniformity. The texture is just perfect.
The rhythm is steady across all units. Yes, synchronization is perfect.
Keep a close eye on the temperature gauge. Consistency is key here.
Got it. 350 degrees.
The ideal baking time is right about now. They are looking perfect. Can you double check the batch count on line 3?
Yes, the numbers match the order. We are clear.
You want to make sure you dust it real lightly now, just enough so it doesn't stick to the pin when you roll it out.
Reels. The gentle suction pressure ensures 0 microfractures during transfer.
Yes, the calibration. The temperature seems to be fluctuating slightly on the south side.
I adjusted the flow. It's holding steady now.
Just a small adjustment on the speed near the end.
Got it. That looks much better.
Check the pressure on roller 3. It's running high.
Got it. Adjusting now.
Looks good. Alignment confirmed.
Thickness is reading 2.5 millimeters, well within tolerance. Proceeding to the next batch.
The temperature on oven 3 is stabilizing.
Good. Keep the line moving smoothly.
We have some slight variations here. Needs adjustment before the next run.
The key to uniformity is in the tension right here. Too much and they tear. Just enough and they come out perfect every time.
Perfect roundness achieved. Just a small adjustment on the proofing time should fix the elasticity here.
All right, I'll let the team know to watch for that.
The key here is preventing the overlaps. Adjust the suction pressure slightly.
We are now at full synchronization. The rollers are maintaining the specified tolerance levels. Continue monitoring the output.
Meticulous application is crucial here. We dust the flour delicately to maintain the subtle golden sheen on each disc.
Keep the pressure steady. We need absolute even thickness, especially right here at the edge.
See how it springs right back. That's exactly the kind of flexibility we're looking for. The texture is perfect.
The new calibration seems to have stabilized the flow.
Yes, this speed ensures optimal timing for the transfer.
The thickness reading is at 4.2. Let's bring it down slightly.
Okay, I have adjusted the feed rate.
The alignment looks spot on now.
Yes, the pressure is perfectly balanced.
Ensure the spacing is exact on this tray. It is critical for the alignment of the golden discs.
All readings are stable, maintaining the 9.8 millimeter and 150 gram specifications consistently.
The uniformity is excellent. They are rising perfectly symmetrical.
Careful with that adjustment. We need it flush with the conveyor. Just a little tighter on the left.
すべて順調に進んでいますね。この調子に続けてくださいも。
Minimal variations detected. The golden sheen is consistent across the batch.
The application is uniform. We are good to go.
Check the tolerances here, Maria. Just a slight adjustment on the pressure.
Got it. Looks perfect now.
I think this section is ready for the quality inspection.
Agreed. The texture is perfect on these. The consistency here is excellent. Look at that even puffing. The texture is very soft. As you can see on the display, the sensor is confirming a consistent thickness of 2.1 millimeters.
Check the flexibility here. Seems good, very pliable.
Rejection parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The color matches the standard exactly. Note the evenness of the thickness.
Uniform baking confirmed. Looks perfect.
The puffing is consistent across the batch and the edges are sealed well.
Yes, the quality looks excellent today.
Ah, listen to that. That is the sound of a perfectly puffed chapati.
Check the edges on this one, slightly undercooked. Let me see.
Yes, we need to adjust the temperature up by 5 degrees.
All right, I'll see to it.
Batch 72 is ready.
Confirmed.
We must ensure the edges are perfectly even.
Feel here, no thin spots. This batch meets the standard.
That one is torn. Divert to reclamation. Monitor the temperature on the next run.
That's perfect coverage.
The key is the pliability. It should fold without cracking like this. The texture is incredibly soft, just ideal.
We're seeing some variation on the blister pattern here.
Noted. We'll check the heat distribution on zone 3.
Batch 7, thickness 2.5 millimeters, weight 10 grams. Parameters verified.
Is that the final count for this batch?
Yes, confirmed. All aligned.
The consistency on these puffs is excellent, exactly what we are looking for.
Adjust the feed rate slightly. There are some minor imperfections on this run.
Keep the flow steady at 200 units.
Confirmed. Seals are holding well on batch 4.
Uniformity is crucial for the automated system. Once aligned, they are quickly sealed, fresh and ready.
Increase the speed by 5%.
Acknowledged. Running smoothly now.
Weight is exactly 400 grams and the seal is secure.
Excellent.
Please log it as compliant with the standards.
Batch 42. Integrity confirmed. Packaging secure.
So this row is all slated for the Dubai shipment tomorrow.
All right, I'll update the inventory count right now.
Make sure these numbers match the incoming log.
Got it. I'll double check the count on aisle 3.
Sequence the next batch by destination, starting with route 7.
Route 7 first, got it.
Confirmed. Batch 459B. Confirmed. Batch 460A.
Ensure all pallets are secured before the next shift. We must maintain clear safety lanes at all times.
We've optimized the spacing for the new chapati batch.
We need to ensure the rotation schedule is updated.
It's already updated on the system.
The seal is secure. Approved. We need more boxes on line 3.
I already called for them. They should be here any minute.
The weight is precise, right within the acceptable margin.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the shipment.
Is this pallet ready for pickup?
Almost. Just one more layer on the back stack.
All correct.
Are these ready for the morning shipment?
Yes, the rotation is complete on aisle 4. We move the older stock forward.
Okay. Looks good. All checks cleared?
The chapatis look perfect. Are you heading out now?
Yes. See you in the morning.